This is an old car I had for a while. There's a dog right there. I had this car forever. I think I've had it 11, 12 years. Haven't done much to it. I'm going to start working on it a little more here. 66 Biscayne. Like I say, I think I bought it 12 years ago. 01 or something like that from eBay. And it's trying to come out here, I think. Still trying to come out. Still trying to come out. Okay. There it comes. There it comes. There it comes. Okay. I think you got her there. I was looking for one of these for a long time and finally found one on eBay in Pheonix, Arizona. Bought her. Had her shipped back here to Indiana. Right now I'm going to do the metal work on it. Go from there. And I bought it in 2001. I've had it 12 years. I'm going to accelerate the time working on it here, hopefully. In other words, I'm going to make time to work on it. Okay, here's a picture of the floors on the inside. There we go. Floors are, well, they're about perfect if you ask me. No holes whatsoever. Look good, the inside of the door. Here's the inside of the trunk. There we go. Trunks. No holes whatsoever. Trunk lids. Wonderful condition. I would like to know about this right here. I don't know if that's supposed to be crooked or not. If anybody knows, let me know, will you? Well, here's the right side. Got the little smashed up panel here. Somebody drilled holes in, pulled everything out. I got the passenger door here. It's ready to weld the holes shut, really. Still has, I got 4 of the original rims. Still painted the same color as the car. Which when I do the car, I'm going to paint it white. Trunk's in real good shape. I got the body ready to come off. Fact is, I loosened all the bolts by hand. Didn't have to heat anything up. Other side of the car here. Front door, somebody had a dent in it. Somebody drilled some holes and beat it out. Kind of ugly. Floors are just wonderful. Actually, it's a very, very original car. Been to Mako, but everything else is original all the way. Everything on it. See, the bottom of the door is perfect. This is kind of a strange option car too. Factory V8, factory 3 in a tree, and factory air. Also came with factory radio delete. A little bit of pitting on the windshield channel. No holes though. It'll be just fine. He's got a tendency to rust at the bottom of the cowl. These are just perfect. In fact, his cowl, paint on the cowl still shiny as the center of the hood. Roof's fine also. Factory power steering, manual brakes. I got the front end all power washed. see it still got the original chalk marks on it, which when I do it, I'll recreate those. Take the body off the frame, restore the frame real nice while it's all unbolted and the body gone. Roof's in fine shape. Couple rust holes bottom of the rear window channel. I've put some metal in there. They aren't too bad. A little cold there, Scrappy? Right side cowl. Wonderful condition. I'm real happy with the way the car was, you know, for buying it from eBay and all that. Well, here's some pictures of the car when I acquired it back in '01, and it's almost 2014 now. So about all I've done is tear it apart. Actually, worked on a bunch of small parts and that. I got a bunch of boxes of stuff that I've already got detailed, ready to go back on the car. Like I'm taking the frame off, going to detail it real nice. Big block, 4-speed, 12 bolt, all original. Except I'll probably put headers on it, a little cam to make it shake a little. And I'm real happy I got a Arizona car. It makes it a whole lot easier to work on. Trust me, I've done some rust buckets and it's night and day getting a rust-free car in there. And I hope you follow me around in my videos, and have a good day. And thanks Tori and Milena for helping make this video and helping make these bloopers I got right here. Here's the inside of the trunk. Here's the inside of the trunk. The inside of the trunk. Now this is a '66 Biscayne I've had for forever here. It's starting to get working on a little quicker here. Here it comes, I hope. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, we're going to do one more time.